like I said, I normally like when London or New York sweep the previous high or the low with all the liquidity given and then trading away. In this case, London opened and it just started going bearish. So this doesn't get me wild up. I can't force myself to trade. So I don't see anything, right? Until I see this right there. So that was a perfect indication. This is our candle per candle trading. I would have seen that to go into the demand. Let's see if it goes. Yes, it did. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, so this would have been good right here. Right? So this would be fine. Now again, we saw the origin right here where it swept the liquidity, and we're just utilizing the momentum from this swing high, utilizing the momentum running bearish, right? We spot the liquidity internally in these moves, right, to continue, right? And this is where I want to hit the target right there. That's a safe target. So this was pretty good. Let's see what New York does, right? Because in New York right now, I'm not really expecting much. Let's look over here. It's 3 o'clock. If London comes above here, I would like to take another entry, but nothing seems to happen. Okay, that's fine. Right, so you notice when I entered there, I TP'd here. Notice how price ran up against us into supply. That would hit me out, or at least a break even, right? But why would I want to hold the trade past this demand zone, right, when the demand isn't even, it's not proven yet that price can break, right? We want it to break, right? Let's see. So, okay, I know I have this line already set here, but, in this case, this is sweep of liquidity for me. Price runs up. All right, this is a good sign. That's 5.15. Okay, let's wait for 6. This was actually NFP news, so yes, this would have been a sell. Actually, remember when I said, guys, up here, I would like to sell, right? I said that there was a high here, these highs. I would like to sell, so look what price did. Boom. And had I sold there, right there, I would have gone into the demand zone. So again, another right in here into this demand zone, into this order block right here, right? That would have been a TP. I would have been done there, right? So this would have been a done. Let's look for the next one, 6:30. So 6:30 is opening. Okay, so this is very interesting. This kind of contradicts sort of the direction, but I'll tell you this. We swept the major low right here. We have the external swept in here. That means I want price to go up because the external has swept. So I'm looking for buys here. In fact, on New York, since this is 6:30 and did sweep this candle per candle, this is candle per candle now, right in here. Right in here, I would have looked to buy into this supply, first supply here, and then the next one would be above. Let's see what happens. Okay, I would have been dead. Okay, this one, that's no problem. I would have been dead there. I do see this, though. This is the other low. This is the visible low. So this would have been a second entry here. Let's go and target this high. Can we get it? Oh, okay, so that would have been it. Notice, look at this. Look at what's funny about this. Except all this liquidity would have entered here, risk right at this low, targeting the supply, right? So this would have been good. Right there, boom. That's it. That's all you need, right? Now, again, I'm following my rules, okay? I'm following my rules. That means I'm sweeping liquidity, and then I'm just waiting for price to set up inside to take price bullish, right? I'm not trying to trade what I don't see.